How to fix Snapchat crashing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat crashing on Android phone. First open the settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here just type Snapchat and then click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click this one for stop, and then go to storage, clear cache, and and now go to data usage, and then click background data, all of those, allow all of those here, and then go back, go to battery and allow performance mode. You find it like that and allow it, and that's it, and disable power saver mode, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.